This is what teamwork and Florida love does right here.
Okay, today's the day. Today is the day. Check it out. We got a U-Haul trailer about to go fill this up with supplies. This could be an avalanche, but completely full, like probably like over 100 gallons of water in here. We got 1 cooler, 2, 3, there's another one at my dad's house. We got plenty of water. We're gonna have gas. We got a bunch of food in here and more water and supplies. And yeah, it's time to go fill this thing with the money that was donated by the GoFundMe page, along with some of the money out of our own pocket, because it's time to do some good. It's time to use social media for good. It's time to help many people as we can in their time of need. Filming is absolutely not my #1 priority today, but we are going to try to film as much as we can while we're helping everybody. Solid trailer, right? We're gonna be able to fill this thing. So what do we got to do? So for now, we got to go get a bunch of ice, coolers. Just start heading south. Yeah, go to Walmart, get a ton of supplies. We got to find some cash too, because we're gonna give people cash, because we know a lot of people aren't gonna have money. It is time. Let's do this. Let's make a difference. Stoked on all the contributions. Everybody who came to Island Shop last night and this morning. You guys are awesome. We had an awesome donation of some signs as well.
Thank you, Brian.
Thank you, Brian. You're awesome. Thank you to Larry at the Island Shop, of course. We're just going to put these on the side of the U-Haul once we get into the areas that are affected, so that people know to come out and you know, get help. Yeah. All right, you guys ready?
Yeah, sure.
All right. Wait. Anybody close the trailer? Is it open? Ah! Let's not lose everything right away.
Jack, where are we?
Spectrum Sports, where we're getting some free ice. Thanks to these awesome people. Is that him? And so it begins.
There's a protein bar. Oh, the fruit platter! That's for me, maybe.
Yeah, exactly.
It's the biggest roundup ever.
This is like one of the first Walmarts ever.
Dog food, mayonnaise, cool. There we go, the pass. This is serious. Alright, we got Abby and River out here helping us out. This is probably the most water that we've been donated the entire time. You guys are awesome. We surpassed the 1,400 mark.
Uh-oh. Where are we at?
Good.
Where are we at?
With the donations? Over 2,000.
I don't know. Where's your buddy?
He's getting Sharpies.
No.
Are you kidding me?
No, it's right. No, it's right on that one. No.
That one?
No, it's that one right now.
Last item.
That's a good number.
We still got a budget, guys. We're doing all right.
Amazing. Yeah, more gas money, you know?
Is it bigger than you?
No, but
Almost.
pretty big. We will see you on YouTube. All right, locked, loaded.
Dad said it's gonna be gone in 5 minutes.
Completely full. Close it up. Let's get out of here. Let's go.
A sign, the JoogSquad sign on the side.
Someone's thirsty.
I thought this was it. Dunedin Brewery. Not to get beer though. Yeah. This thing is almost max capacity. Stopping to get more. We might end up doing 2 trips down south. We'll see how this one goes tonight and tomorrow morning, and then maybe we'll come back and get more. Woo, this is This is a 6-foot trailer and we've stacked it to the roof with food and supplies. Yeah, shout out to you guys. Alright, so we're outside of Publix right now. We've got 20 bags of ice. Merrick ran inside and got them. Filled up these trash cans and filled up these trash cans with drinks and ice because most places are out of coolers right now. So we're trying to get people cold drinks because if you weren't aware, in Florida it's about 100 degrees all the time, even at night. We haven't had power. We've been sleeping with the air off. We're pretty much sweating all night, every single night. So a cold drink is pretty much your best friend in times like these, especially when you're out in some of the places that we're going to be visiting. So we're loaded back up on ice.
You guys run supplies down south?
Yeah.
Sure.
Nice, we're taking off tomorrow.
Nice.
Where are you guys heading?
We're going to head south in Naples and some of the lower income areas because there's a lot of trouble down there right now.
You guys talking about going to Immokalee?
Yeah, that's where we're going.
Okay.
I just didn't know how to pronounce it.
Yeah.
Immokalee, yeah.
Yeah, we got taking my pressure washing trailer. As soon as it gets done working today, we're gonna load it up.
Nice.
Got gas, water, and ice.
We got a lot of stuff. You see how low my car's sitting? We got as many waters as we could possibly fit up to the roof and then everything else in here.
Cool, good work, guys.
Thanks, man.
Thank you, man. We're just trying to play our part, I guess.
Yeah.
What's up, dude?
There's only so much we can do here. I've been trying to take care of my house.
Yeah. My house is all right. I mean, we don't have power all the way up in Pinellas County. No power yet, but
I can
no
live without
damage.
the
So,
power.
yeah,
I'm just
exactly.
to take the trash.
Yeah.
My house is like rotting.
A lot of people don't have anything down there. Like,
Yeah.
if you live in basically a trailer park and your trailer gets destroyed,
That's what I'm thinking. It's gonna change my perspective.
you're in a lot of trouble. Yeah, people.
You start hating
You heard a lot of people who just don't have water and food. That was enough for us. Yeah, man, you be safe.
Yeah.
Welcome to Florida. We are way more than halfway there, and we are getting hit by a serious band of rain right now. Why is this guy riding our ass? Rolling into Immokalee. There's a huge lightning storm, pretty crazy, and we're getting pretty close. We're starting to see some damage, some trees down and whatnot. This guy behind me has had his brights on and been on my ass the entire time. We're trying to save people. Waving down cops to ask where the shelters are and where the best place to go to deliver supplies is.
Immokalee High School. Yeah, go back down that road.
Okay.
And before you get to the stop sign, or at the stop sign, turn right.
Awesome.
All right?
Thank you so
You're
much.
welcome.
Thank you so much, sir.
Hey, excuse me. You guys need any supplies or water or anything?
Food or water?
Food or water? Are you guys good?
Alright.
See? Is it agua?
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 Yeah? Yeah, man.
Do you guys need any like food?
Man, this thing feels stuck. It's pretty crazy here. I guess there's been a lot of looting and robbing going on in the area and surrounding areas, so we're pretty much just trying to make sure we're staying safe, trying to find the right people to help. I guess there's a shelter at the gym at the local high school, so we're heading there now to hopefully drop off some supplies. Most of the town's out of power. We've seen a lot of flooding, a lot of people just like basically sitting outside their houses in the water looking like they're very hot and uncomfortable. We already dropped off some water. Damn, that whole street was closed back there.
Looks like a middle school or a rec center or something.
Yeah, and as soon as, oh look, there's a skate park. As soon as we know, or we find where we're trying to go, we'll keep the camera rolling and we'll keep you guys posted.
See, they may let us set up a table here or something.
All these people are just waiting in line to eat.
Yep.
Very welcome.
Probably to the left. Merrick's probably Ross Ed right there. What would be the best way to orchestrate it all and
Give us, can you wait for a little while?
Yeah, of course.
Okay, because it's just, we just got cots.
we just kind of rearranged the whole chaos. And then we got some people that came from Ohio to feed them soup. So we're going to start doing that process now. So you let me kind of, out of curiosity, you guys are staying tonight? We're going to be here, so we're around there. Would it be, because it'll just work out so much smoother and easier if we do it in the morning?
That's fine. That's fine.
Yeah. If we do it in the morning, kind of like, because they start leaving out of here around 8 o'clock, like between 5 and 8, they go work, they do their thing. The community, I can have him.
I see some of your stuff.
I can have you guys out there.
That's what we're thinking too. If you want us to, go door to door, we love doing that kind of
I'm
stuff.
gonna hook you up, but don't just go on your own.
Right, it's dangerous. Right, yeah.
I can connect you with the right people. It'll be perfect. So if you think about it, if you think about the magnitude, right, and you gotta kind of put it in perspective. This is 2.7. I forgot what's the word, but the biggest two disasters we have. So we put all our resources in Texas. And then now we're bringing I'm from New York. We're bringing everybody now from North Carolina. So like, in here. So now we get everything that we need. So we were kind of set, coming in here.
Where you guys from? Teacher before
It'd be
that.
cool to,
Hey, more power to you.
Can you still have dreads in the cop?
If you're undercover, I'm sure you can.
Oh, that's a good answer. He's with the cop in the parking lot.
Oh, this is horrible, bro. There's like over 500 beds in there. Like nobody, all those people don't have homes anymore. So I guess now the plan, they don't have enough hygiene products, so we're gonna leave our U-Haul somewhere close by because the car is like impossible to drive with that U-Haul on it. Go buy probably around $500 worth of hygiene products. Toothpaste, shower shoes, toothbrushes, shampoo, probably some toys. Like my kid asked for what do you say, art supplies, like markers, crayons. I don't know. We're just gonna go get whatever we can. I'm kind of mind blown at a loss for words right now, but
Yeah, you look kind of sad, man.
Yeah, that's terrible.
It is, dude. It's with those kids, just to hear them, they just want to play games.
Yeah, and they're all like, dude, you see how many people are in there?
I'm really happy we did this, man.
Yeah, I am too.
So Jack, what just happened? We're at Walmart, right?
Yeah, it's super not open.
Like super.
How far did we drive?
We drove 45 minutes to get to a Walmart that's not open. So now we're in the parking lot. I just used the facilities. There's a nice street lamp right here. And we're eating crab chips, and Merrick's making us tuna sandwiches.
They're actually really good.
Are they?
Yeah, you should take a bite.
We are living large right now. Probably gonna try out some hammocks back at the shelter, high school, after we go to another Walmart that's probably gonna be closed as well. Hey, check out this bite. Pretty dope bite, right guys? Oh what, so I just don't get one?
You want one?
I would like one.
Did you hear me ask? And
Nope.
He was like, hey, if you don't mind.
Yeah, well I was driving, so.
Yeah.
How is this edible? How can fish just sit in a bag?
Because it's preserved right, dude.
I was thinking the same
Fish, just
when I
fish,
bought it.
in
Okay,
a bag.
You want a little more?
We'll go there, we'll look around, we'll find something.
Please.
Maybe. All right, that might be a good first.
Yeah.
That might be a great, yeah.
Okay.
I was just sitting there just like this. The first batch of water going inside. Alright, so right now we are getting tons of water and tons of food ready for breakfast tomorrow. I guess we are in charge of the breakfast. Hey, help yourself. I mean, sometimes.
Golf course airborne one?
Oh, that's a good one.
Golf course airborne, that's just.
I watched the fake beer one. The hole in the sand. That was the evil hole. That was pretty bad. You guys just dug that hole.
Oh, dude.
Nobody said
Man, they got deep.
Well, eventually someone said something, but yeah.
No, but I mean, when you were digging it,
No,
you
we
guys
didn't
dig it
dug
at
it
night.
at night. Yeah, it was just stayed up
So
all
you guys
night.
put plywood on the side there?
Yeah, we had a ton of, one of my buddies works for one of the cable companies, and they always have extra PVC, like the tubing they run cables through, and so we like put supports in the sand, like,
Yeah,
made
I
like
saw
a
that.
frame. Like, it worked pretty good, like you could walk over it, like, A girl actually, the first day we get done with it, it was so perfect. This random chick, she walked right on top of it and like stepped in the one spot that like the wall was kind of like the plywood missed by like half, 6 inches or something. Stepped right in and fell right in, and like the whole roof caved in and everything. We were like, no.
This is wonderful.
They got a ton of guys on patrol at night out here.
Yeah.
I mean, the crime rate's really dropped in this town big time.
That's good to hear.
Yeah, big time. When I work out here, shit.
Was it worse before?
Oh man, I work out here with stabbings, shootings.
Jackson Tenney over there in the green hammock, boys and girls. No, this is where Jack cuts in and goes, "Hey guys, just got finished setting up this table for you. Bring all this food out." We love you, Jack.
Still fun to roast.
You better put this in the video. Tony actually vowed he would eat every peanut butter and jelly that doesn't get taken. You want a banana chip, mate? Just read on your lip. Hey, mate, we donated all the supplies and we're going to head out soon.
We need to leave. You slept through the donations.
Did you really?
All right, Merrick, you're the head chef. What do we got for breakfast?
Oh, we got some Nature Valley bars, some whole grain bars, some applesauce, some bananas. We got peanut butter and jelly, strawberry, raspberry, grape, all the good stuff. Tuna. We got, that's tuna, this is peanut butter and jelly. Take whatever you need.
Again, filming is not our #1 priority. Priority is just to help people out here. I just gave away like 10 cases of water. We've been running back and forth to get full cases for everybody. We're almost out of everything we brought here. We still have half a U-Haul truck full of stuff that we're going to be delivering to everybody else. That we're about to go into more affected areas to deliver more goods. Making a difference out here, guys. Making a difference. Wow, good job, Merrick.
Just did work, so
yeah.
big black would be proud.
Time to go get rid of the rest of this stuff.